Thank you. Thank you, Bang. Thank you, Bang. Tagung Singapore na bilang.
Nataray siya. Narono na naman ng kanyang pele. Diyos ko. Wala na guys. Nakababa na tayo dito guys. Ngayon na nga lang pumunta ng Maynila guys. Hindi pa nakawalay guys. Madi ito guys. Bigis na naman. Wala na guys. Nagsasardag na itong lugar namin guys. Sorry na nga ni. Nagsusabli na naman guys.
Hello everyone.
Ay, ang lalakil ng aeroplano nila dito guys. Madaming tumatayab na tuwa to.
Towards the EF Terminal 3 for your safe and proper disembarkation.
Hindi lang kulibangbang dito, tuwa to din. Madalaki sila guys. Meron pang pure gold.
And also we are pleased to announce that we have just landed 30 minutes ahead of scheduled time of arrival. For your safety and
Ito sa Balang Terminal Atoy.
with your seatbelt securely fastened
1, 2, 3.
until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Voice communication and the use of mobile phone is prohibited when the cabin doors are closed. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening
Power
the
bank
overhead
po, guys.
bins, as heavy items
Baka
may
mabati yung
knock
power
over
bank guys.
On
Dito yung
behalf of
magbubaba
our
kay
entire
Kinabat
Blue
Speedy.
Pacific team, headed by our flight deck
Yun.
crew, Captain Pedales, with first
Diyan mo na
officer
natitrabaho na dito yung
Ramos,
mismo.
together with
Datano
their
ka babasuna ka.
cabin crew for making Cebu Pacific a
Pag may
part of
day man
their
darabi.
important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to invite you to more fun in the future.
Cebu Pacific.
Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
Medyo madi ang tempo dito
For
guys.
guests with infant, the infant slide
Parang
will be connected
magtotodo
after
na siya.
embarkation. For safety reasons, please leave the infant slide vest
Ay
inside
sus
the
guys.
seat pocket.
At layo
Be
pa ang
reminded
pupuntahan
that
neto
an
guys.
authorized removal of slide vests from the aircraft is 0 seconds.
Wala na guys. Malayo pa pala yung pupuntahan guys. Nag-iigot-igot pa siya guys. Mauulaw na nga ni.
Once again, may we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter, and please bring this with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose this in the bins near the exits. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. Thank you.
Nagparehas sa ako. Takal na ata ganda to.
Nagtakol eh.
Ata kasta? Oh, international guys. Wala na guys. Pag international na itong mga to. Masyado na silang dalakal guys.
For passengers with onward connecting flights on Cebu Pacific or Sebgo, please proceed to the transfer desk located at the arrival hall. For assistance, please approach our ground personnel upon disembarkation.
Tapos matatapos na to guys.
Portable electronic devices must be set to silent mode. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited with the categories and ropes.
Ada sikat ang bebek ni Jay ko kung di ka kay Singapore naging matang. Ang ganda na lang tema na mga kwartanan. So, hindi ko kami sa cable car. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Ay, umasa dito. Yan na. Nay. Sumilit ka na. Dito tayo natalakas na. Anong dami ko sa baba, guys, oh? Kuya. Ito nga ni. Matutugin yung matutugin. Beda mo.
Kung kinilalakas lang, nagbaba mo na yo.
Kasi na ah. Kaya ko tani side natin yun na tagibigil ko. Manang
Oho.
Pupunta kami doon sa cable car. Aray ko. Wala. So beautiful in the air. Pagkalat na isang wow. Wow nga ni. Santos ha. Bato nga ni.
Next stop, Resorts World Station, Singapore's only first integrated family resort. Resorts World Sentosa will complement the island's exhilarating mix of world-class entertainment, hotels, and attractions such as Universal Studios Singapore.
Wow nga ni.
Resorts World Station.
Wow.
Along here for Resorts World Sentosa. Resorts World Station.
Lumag to?
Daimas? Daimas?
Nani mo tata? Darma ata ni.
Kain.
Ayan, after. Tapos.
Ajay takal. May praw.
Ano yan? Saan?
Slobat.
Bye-bye. See you again after 4 years, 3 years. Joy! Meadow.